Checking your vehicle's tire pressure is crucial to maintaining and prolonging the life of your tires. Hi, I'm Chris Cramer at Bill Kramers Chevrolet Cadillac Buick GMC, and today we're going to give you a quick and easy, step-by-step process on how to check your tire pressure. To check your tire pressure, you'll need a pressure gauge, available at your local auto parts store. You'll also need to know the recommended pressure for your tires. This is found on the lower driver's side door frame of your vehicle. First, unscrew the cap on the valve stem. It's probably a good idea to keep a few extra caps in the vehicle. Small parts like this have a way of being misplaced. Next, press the gauge flat against the valve so that the connection is completely sealed. Finally, read the gauge. Depending on the type of your pressure gauge, the pressure will be determined by a dial or a measuring stick denoted with various pressures. It's important to check your tire pressure at least once a month. An over or underinflated tire may expedite wear, create an uncomfortable ride, or even lower your gas mileage. Of course, you can always stop by Bill Kramers Chevrolet Cadillac Buick GMC on the corner of Frankfort and 23rd Street in Panama City. We'll be happy to check your tire pressure for you.